Pax Christi and good morning, dear Benedictines. Welcome to Speech Lesson 2.4 on the consonant sounds P and F. Before we begin, let us have a reading of our learning targets for this morning. The first learning target is I can recognize the symbols and pronounce the sound of the consonant sounds P and F. And the second one is I can accurately enunciate the consonant sounds P and F in words, phrases, and sentences drills. Now, let's begin by learning how to say the following two consonant sounds. The first consonant sound is P, as in piggy and people. First thing you gotta do is press the lips slightly together. Then exert some effort as you blow them apart with a voiceless breath. Then finally, pronounce the consonant P loudly. Now what about the other consonant sound? F, as in feature and funds. First off, you have to position the lower edge of your upper teeth upon the lower lip, and then slightly blow with a voiceless breath. Lastly, use the lower lip to control the flow of the voiceless breath. Now, what could be the difference between the P and the F consonant sounds? These two are both unvoiced sounds, but P is produced with a sudden puff of air, almost like spitting, whereas F is a continuous release of air between the top teeth and the bottom lip. It is therefore possible to extend F as much as you like, but not. Now let's try to practice how to pronounce P and F using phrase drills. Listen and repeat after me. Prince and Princess. Pope Francis. Huff and puff. Plea for peace. Football fan. All for fun. 55. Fine friend. Paper plate. Favorite food. Peace for all. Fun in the Philippines. Party pooper. Fast and furious. Pink popsicle. Spoon and fork. Fierce fly. 5 puppies. Happy feet. April Fools. Wrap the gift. Laugh hard. Paper cup. Fit to form. Fast food. Find the flag. Half of the graph. Captain's pitch. Fervently pray. Paris, France. Plain and simple. Faded photographs. 55 pesos. Pay a fraction. Let's continue with the second set of phrases drills. A huge profit from selling pepper. Thankful for her academic prowess. Gasping for water during the fire. To dine and shop. Made a gulp. Profound ideas. To capitalize on education. Presenting a deposit slip. His pantsuit and important papers. Gasping for breath. His loud burp. A profitable crop. Picture perfect. The steep stairs. Sip by sip, not gulp by gulp. Opened to the public. Out with the plan. Hopped around. A placid stroll. Applauded at the end of the play. To perk him up. Peter Piper meets Peter Parker. Power nap. Let's proceed with the sentences drills. Let's begin with the P sound. The children are playing. Mary is in the park. I saw a spider. Don't press that button. Her favorite color is pink. Paul likes drinking wine. Now let's proceed to the F sounds. The staff members were very nice. I will need more information about it. You have to stay safe. The phone is ringing. Can you take a photo of me? The test was very difficult. Now let's continue with sentence drills that contain both the sounds of P and F. Let's begin. Pierre is a nice French boy who lives in the beautiful city of Paris in France. Penny is afraid to catch a cold, so she always carries a pink handkerchief in her purse. Please do the apples before serving them. My grandfather approves of taking a nap after lunch. Frozen fruits make an interesting snack, especially during the hot summer months. My professor framed the old Philippine flag as a sign of respect. The former chief decided to deploy more troops to the fields. Please don't put the powder inside the frozen cup. The picnic was not fun without our family and friends. Let's continue with the next set of sentences drills. Is she a soprano in the school choir? You should read the story of The Prince and the Pauper. Do you agree that it is more fun to travel in the Philippines? Francis prefers French fries over pork chop. Faye is best friends with Franz. Paolo rescued 5 poor puppies, and after 4 months, they are as happy as can be. Please don't pick a fist fight with your best friend. We need to prepare enough paper plates for our party on Friday. The late Pope John Paul II was from Poland. Now let's have a story drill. Listen and repeat after me. Finn and Peter are brothers. Finn likes leafy vegetables, so Peter calls him Rabbit. On the first day of February, they went to a pub to have some beer. They celebrated Peter's new project and Finn's new book. Finn's passion is writing, and his book has finally been published. Peter is a builder, and he has just gained a big client. After drinking a number of beers, they called a cab. They wanted to get back from the pub safely. It was a pretty busy day and a very happy one for both Peter and Finn. That brings us to the end of our lesson 2.4 on the consonant sounds p and f. Please listen to the teacher for further instructions.